When the sky turns gray and the clouds roll in, a symphony of raindrops begins again. Each drop that tells a story, a tale of